The Sazerac is one of the oldest known cocktails, originating from New Orleans in the mid-1800s. It is a short, strong traditional cocktail that balances sweet, bitter, and herbal flavors through a combination of rye whiskey, absinthe, and Peychaud's bitters. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces rye whiskey. Traditionally, Sazerac rye is used. 1 sugar cube. White sugar is preferred. 3 dashes. Peychaud's bitters, essential for authentic Sazerac. 1 dash Angostura, bitters, optional, for added complexity. 1 teaspoon absinthe, or an absinthe substitute. 1 piece lemon peel, for garnish. For equipment you will need old-fashioned glass, mixing glass, bar spoon, muddler, strainer. Here are the instructions. Chill an old-fashioned glass by filling it with ice and setting it aside. In a mixing glass, muddle the sugar cube with a few drops of water until it dissolves. Add rye whiskey, Peychaud's bitters, and Angostura bitters, if using, to the mixing glass. Stir well with ice until the mixture is well chilled. Discard the ice from the chilled old-fashioned glass. Add absinthe to the glass and swirl it to coat the interior. Discard excess absinthe. Strain the chilled whiskey mixture into the prepared glass. Twist a piece of lemon peel over the drink to release its oils, then drop it into the glass as a garnish. The Sazerac has been proclaimed as the official cocktail of New Orleans by the Louisiana legislature, a testament to its deep-rooted cultural significance in the city's history.